VLOOKUP is quite simple. Over here, I have a list of products for which I want to retain their individual prices. The price list is this table right here. VLOOKUP has three main components. The first is what I'm looking for, in our case, product 1. The next is which table contains a match for this product. And if you come here, you see there's product 1 also here. So this is my table of interest. Then the last part is what do I want to return? For me, is the price, and the price is in column 2. So let's start to write out the formula. So equals VLOOKUP. You want to look for product 1. The table, product 1 lives on this table. And then the column index for the price, or for what I want to return, is column 2. Then the last part, do I want an approximate match or an exact match? For most cases, you want an exact match. Close the brackets, and that's it. So we can now drag down, and it gives me all the prices. Let's double check. Product 5 is 22. Product 5, 22. Excellent.